Gold yesterday has created a strong bullish candle, which has made a bullish breakout above 2525.80, and we can see that the price again has formed another bullish breakout above 2550.00. In the yesterday analysis, I have mentioned that there is a high probability and that I am expecting that the price is going to reach again 2525.80, and there is much more strength from the bulls than from the bears at here at this supply zone around this resistance level, which was also indicating that there is a potential for the breakout to the upside. And we can see for several days the price has several times has touched this resistance and finally has made a bullish breakout. The price found enough strength to go even higher above this 2550.00, a resistance level, which is also a monthly resistance level, which is a very important move from the bulls. Now I have made this bullish trend line, we can see that, to make the channel where the price is heading, as currently it is coming very close and also making a bullish breakout above this resistance. This will be a confluence of a resistance for the price, and what could happen in the future we will see, but we can see that 2654.09 is the next resistance level on the daily basis. There are several levels in between on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, which I will share on the daily basis with the traders inside the community. The link will be below in the description. But for now, what could happen also, it is a potentially retrace back down because of this strong movement. And today is Friday. The Friday is usually the day when the traders get out from their trades, so there is a possibility that the price could move suddenly in any direction. But also the afternoon, especially in the afternoon, it is expected to move in one of the directions. So will the price continue to rise in value or will it go down? This depends what happens on the smaller scale, on the smaller time frame, and that means on a 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame. This will be also much more clear information and the picture what the traders are doing. But for now, what I could expect, this strong bullish momentum that has took the price above this resistance level, above this supply zone, is a great signal for the bulls. But also there is a possibility for now that the price retrace back down first to this one, 2550.00 as support level, then we'll see how the price behaves around this level. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.